Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Sweden, a land of stunning natural beauty, innovative design, and rich cultural heritage. From the vibrant streets of Stockholm to the magical northern lights in Lapland, Sweden offers breathtaking landscapes and unforgettable experiences. Discover Viking history, cozy Fika coffee breaks, and the iconic ABBA Museum. Whether you're exploring medieval towns, cruising the scenic archipelagos, or hiking through pristine forests, Sweden blends modernity with timeless charm. A country known for sustainability, equality, and the Nobel Prize, Sweden invites you to explore its wonders.